Welcome to No Nonsense Airbnb. In this video, I will show you how you can change the cancellation policy on your Airbnb listing. Once you're logged into Airbnb from your computer, click on Switch to Hosting on the top right section. That will take you to your hosting dashboard. And then click on Listings in the top menu. And then click on the listing which you want to edit. That will land you into the listing editor area. Stay on the default first tab where it lands you, and just scroll down towards the bottom, and there you will see cancellation policy. Now, if you're new to Airbnb hosting and you're just listing your property, you won't see the same screen and the options which I'm looking at. The way Airbnb works, they don't show you a lot of details when you're creating a listing for the first time. But once you publish your listing and then you come back to edit your listing, you will see the same screen like me. So if you're creating your listing for the first time, just publish it and come back. You will see the screen and all these options the way they are on my screen. To edit the cancellation policy, just click on it, and on the right hand side, it will open up the panel. The first option here is the main cancellation policy for your property. You can choose from flexible, moderate, firm, and strict. All these options are self-explanatory. You can choose that and click on save. The next option is non-refundable option. Now, when you turn this on, when people are looking at your listing, they will see a non-refundable option. It will offer them a 10% discount in exchange for a non-refundable option, which basically means they cannot cancel the reservation once they have booked, and you will get entire payout by Airbnb minus any cleaning fee. And I'll show you in a minute how it appears on the listing. And the last thing here is the long-term cancellation policy. Airbnb now allows you to choose a separate cancellation policies for long-term stays, which is at least 28 days. You can either choose firm, which means full refund to 30 days before check-in, or strict, full refund if cancelled within 48 hours of booking and at least 28 days before check-in. After that, first 30 days of the stay are non-refundable. So this is how you can set the cancellation policy for your listing. And let me show you how the non-refundable option appears on the listing. So I have enabled non-refundable, and you click on view the listing. And when people choose the dates they want to book the stay for, they will see this non-refundable option first and then the refundable option, and they can choose depending on what they want. If they are booking a stay which is within your main standard policy, the non-refundable option won't appear. For example, in this case, because I've chosen a date which is starting from today and my flexible cancellation policy falls within that date, the non-refundable option isn't available here. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Until next time, bye-bye.